GERMAVENGERS! It's your hero, Eugene. It's me, Ate Joanna here. Have you ever wondered what is the importance of observing cleanliness? Let's look into that. Your parents are right to say that you must clean up your surroundings, your bedroom, your study area, and even your mess after playing games. It is important for us to observe cleanliness because 1. It will make us feel good about ourselves. In our age, we are able to help make our homes look fresher. We will also feel more responsible when cleaning up and become more confident and aware of our surroundings. Another, there are many tiny living bad germs all around us, and they will make us sick after they enter our body. Here we have cleaning, which will prevent us from getting these illnesses by removing them using different methods. Cleaning will now make us healthy and free from germs. Want to know more about germs and how they spread? Join us at our upcoming HERE meeting this May. See you soon, future Germ Avenger!